Hey friends, welcome back to another planner week. I kind of went overboard with this particular planner. I was trying to get into the theme of late fall, Thanksgiving. I don't know what I was trying to get into, but anyways, this is how my planner turned out. I really used the washi tape. I probably should have did every other one, or maybe not the top and bottom. I am going to fill in some more things that I have planned for this week, but I didn't want to put too many other stickers or too many other things with it because I had already used like this washi tape to give it that type of theme, and it really made the planner look busy as it was. So I didn't want to go in with too many other stickers. I did go in with my little lady here. She's carrying a couple little gifts and she's getting ready for the holidays. I did also go in with my inspirational speeches to myself, a couple of appointments that I have going on during the week, and of course my mom's birthday is Wednesday the 14th. We're doing a couple of things for her. Veterans Day is Monday, but I didn't have any out of all of my holiday stickers. I didn't have one that said Veterans Day, and I was really surprised. But I am going to get some things done on that day, garbage day, and working out. So let me focus that in for you again. There we go. And this is my planner for the week. Hopefully you guys are decorating your planners, getting the most out of your stickers. I'm trying to use up this stuff because I have so much as far as planning stickers, and I can never focus on how to use them. And then I go to the store, of course the Dollar Tree, and I see more and more stickers I want and more planner stickers I want, and I'm like, wait, I need to use up what I have first. So here we are. This is my planner for the week. I hope everyone has a safe and wonderful week. Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.